This Carote 27-piece ceramic cookware set is a revolutionary addition to any modern kitchen, combining safety, convenience, and professional-grade performance in one comprehensive package. Designed for health-conscious home cooks, busy families, and even outdoor enthusiasts, this cookware set prioritizes non-toxic cooking, ergonomic design, and versatile functionality. Whether you're preparing a weeknight dinner, a weekend feast, or a camping meal, the Carote set offers everything you need for effortless, enjoyable cooking. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. Non-toxic, healthy cooking made easy. At the heart of the Carote cookware set is its advanced ceramic nonstick coating. Free from PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, PFOS, lead, cadmium, and other harmful chemicals, this cookware allows you to prepare meals safely without worrying about toxic leaching. This feature is especially important for families with children or individuals looking to maintain a healthier, low-fat diet. The ceramic surface requires little to no oil for cooking, ensuring that your meals are not only safe, but also heart-healthy and delicious. Effortless cooking and cleanup. One of the biggest frustrations with traditional cookware is sticking, scorching, and difficult cleanup. The Carote 27-piece set solves these issues with its ultra-smooth non-stick ceramic surface, which allows food to slide off effortlessly. From pancakes and omelets to delicate fish and vegetables, each dish comes out perfectly cooked without sticking or burning. Cleanup is a breeze. Simply wipe with a paper towel or place in the dishwasher. The durability of the ceramic coating ensures long-lasting performance even with frequent use. Innovative detachable handles for versatility and storage. A standout feature of the Carote set is its detachable handles. These handles make the cookware highly versatile, allowing you to transition seamlessly from stovetop to oven to table. The detachable design also makes storage simple, saving up to 70% more space compared to traditional cookware. For small kitchens, RVs, or camping trips, this is an invaluable feature. The handles are designed for secure attachment, ensuring safety and stability during cooking while being easy to remove for oven use or compact storage. Comprehensive 27-piece set for every cooking task. This set goes beyond standard cookware. It includes frying pans, saucepans, pots, casserole dishes, and essential kitchen utensils, providing everything a cook could need. Whether it's searing, sautéing, simmering, or roasting, the Carote set has you covered. The versatile sizes and shapes allow for precise cooking techniques, while tempered glass lids let you monitor progress without lifting the lid and losing heat. Durability and performance you can trust. Each piece in the Carote 27-piece set is designed to deliver consistent heat distribution, preventing hot spots and ensuring even cooking. The ceramic coating is scratch-resistant and can withstand daily wear, while the robust construction prevents warping over time. This ensures that your cookware maintains its premium performance, aesthetics, and safety standards for years. Why Carote is the ultimate kitchen upgrade. Traditional cookware often compromises between convenience, safety, and performance. Carote addresses all these challenges simultaneously. Its ceramic nonstick coating eliminates the health risks associated with traditional nonstick pans while making cooking and cleanup effortless. The detachable handles add unmatched versatility, allowing users to adapt the cookware to various cooking scenarios, from stovetop to oven or even camping trips. The wide selection of pots, pans, and utensils ensures that every cooking technique can be executed with precision, making this set an all-in-one solution for any home or travel kitchen, enhancing your everyday cooking experience. Imagine preparing your favorite meals without sticking, scorching, or worrying about toxins. The Carote 27-piece set empowers home chefs to cook healthier, more efficiently, and with better results. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, everything from scrambled eggs to stews and casseroles cooks evenly, looks perfect, and slides effortlessly from pan to plate. Cleanup takes minutes, leaving more time to enjoy meals with family and friends. The ergonomic design, tempered glass lids, and durable ceramic surface transform cooking from a chore into a pleasurable, stress-free activity. Perfect for health-conscious families looking for toxin-free cookware, home chefs seeking versatile, high-performance kitchen tools, small kitchens, RVs, or campers needing space-saving, multifunctional cookware, anyone who values convenience, durability, and efficiency in everyday cooking. Conclusion: the Carote 27-piece ceramic cookware set is a complete, professional-grade kitchen solution that combines health, convenience, versatility, and durability. With detachable handles, non-toxic ceramic coating, induction compatibility, and dishwasher/oven-safe design, this set is ideal for anyone seeking a safe, stylish, and long-lasting cookware upgrade. From busy weeknights to weekend feasts, Carote ensures effortless cooking, healthier meals, and easy cleanup, making it a truly valuable investment for your kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.